Alright, so I've cut all my little trim here. This is a pine select wood, so it doesn't have any knots. And that's just going to go around those little, the top windows there. So yeah, let's get them installed. Good morning, welcome back to the build. So today is day 13, I think, and last night I got these little trim pieces around the windows, all three here, and now today we're putting some cedar on this part and hopefully a bit under the roof here. Alright, quick update here. So I have the front part of the windows here nicely framed up with cedar. And as you can see, there's still a little gap here that's missing. I need to take it and rip it down on a table saw just so I have a nice clean cut. And then that'll just fit in here. And I've also done the roof. And as you can see, the reason why I left those gaps on top of the trim was so that the cedar would just go right underneath, nice and flush. Would go all the way up, and again I need to get a little strip for along here and all the way across. So yeah, looking pretty good. It's supposed to rain tomorrow, so I'm gonna try to get as much of the cedar on as I can, and then I'll just leave little cuts like this for another day. All right, as you can see, I'm almost done here in the back. As you can see, the boards underneath the roof here, they butt right on top of the trim and has a nice finish there. And like the front side, I still need to cut a little piece to fit in along that top. But yeah, really pleased how this backside turned out. So I'm almost done this side wall here. As you can see, I have this all done, but I'm still missing a little section over here. So I have measured it and cut it. And as you can see, I have the ends cut at a 11 degree angle, which is the slope of the roof. And basically what this allows me to do is down here at this end, it'll just, when it meets up, it'll be perfectly flush. And because this is such a tight space, it's really hard to get the groove part to hook onto the tongue part here, the tongue and groove siding. So what I've done is I have cut off one of the grooves. So normally there'd be two. If you look down at here, you can see I've shaved off a little bit of this one, so that way I can just push it straight up, and I don't have to worry about trying to get it around, because there's not that much room to maneuver it. So we're gonna install this one now. So all what I have to do is kind of line it up. As you can see, it slides nicely over this piece and push it in. Nice, oops, nice seam up here. Look at that, even got the grain to match. Alrighty, and now I'm just going to push it nice and tight and nail it in. I have cut this top piece and fit it as best as I can. I'm about to push it in here. I don't know if you guys saw, but I had another top piece that I had cut out, and I had to put a few nails in because when I put it in, there was a decent sized gap between this piece of trim and the top board, so I had to pull that out. But let's hope this one fits nicely. I'm just gonna push it in here. Look at that. Nice, clean